Hey guys, it's Dr. Tim Harrigan. I wanted to discuss stress with you today. Anybody out there have any stress in their lives? So that's actually a good thing, okay? So let me explain. We've all heard there's good stresses and bad stresses, right? If you go out and exercise for an hour, that's kind of stressful on the body, but it's a good thing because it allows your body to adapt over time. When people hear the word stress from us, we mean anything, guys, in your environment. Most people, we jump to the word mental stress, right? When most of us hear the word stress, we kind of go to mental stress for some reason automatically. That's not what we're talking about, you guys. Your body is controlled by your nervous system, your brain and spinal cord. That controls every cell, every organ, and every tissue in your body is the central nervous system, right? Your brain and spinal cord. So when we refer to stress, we're talking about everything. The amount of sleep you're getting, the food you're eating, the supplements you're taking or not taking. Literally every mental, chemical, and physical thing that happens to you affects your nervous system. And we're either in a sympathetic fight or flight state in our nervous system, where a bear jumps out of the woods and I either fright, flight, or freeze, basically. So in a sympathetic state, I either fight or flight, right? And that's where most of us are with our American lifestyles. We're go, go, go. Lots of caffeine in the morning, and we just really don't rest as much as we should. So we're in this fight or flight state way too often. Or we're in a rest digest state, the parasympathetic nervous system. That's when we're sleeping, hopefully. How many people have sleep issues though? So this nervous system is in one of those phases or the other, sympathetic or parasympathetic, fight or flight or rest digest. Now what affects your nervous system? Again, it's all the chemical things in your life, the food you're eating, the lack of water maybe that you have. Taking synthetic supplements is actually stressful on your body. Processed foods is stressful to your body. Medications are stressful on the chemical regard to your body. So that's one category. The next is physical stress. That's our posture. That's your sleeping position. That's maybe me at a desk for 8 hours a day. Maybe past traumas where I have scar tissue in my physical body. So there's chemical stresses, physical stresses, and we all know the mental stress. You know, financial stress, emotional stress, worrying about our family all the time. All three of those categories, you guys, every stress in your life is in one of those three categories. So when we refer to stress, we're talking about anything that stresses your nervous system, which affects your cells, tissues, and organs. So it's everything. And this is a really big problem with chemicals, right? We eat ultra processed food now. There's a lot of people, 99% of the supplements people are taking are isolated or synthetic, which are literally stressful on your body. So we need to analyze pretty much every category of our life over time. It can be overwhelming to eliminate some of the negative stresses and to do more of the good stresses in our life, exercising more, those types of things. So guys, stress is inevitable. We want to transfer more stress to the positive stress and then get rid of some of those negative stressors if we can, because it's a constant balance of sympathetic and your parasympathetic nervous system.